Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So firstly you have to open Gallery, then switch to the Albums section. Tap here, select Hide or Unhide albums. So like, let's hide for example this album. And oh my god, what's a kind of magic? Where did this album disappear? No idea. I should call the 911. So if you want to like see this album, you go to the hide or unhide albums again. Here you can just unhide it like this, and wow, it's here again. Unbelievable. I missed it so much. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.